Hello, Gucho. Let's see the question. So the question is saying which of the following statement is incorrect about the plasma membrane. Here we have four statement. A. The ratio of protein and lipid varies considerably in different cell types. B. 52% protein and 40% lipid are in the membrane of human RBC. C. Integral proteins are found on the intracellular surface of the cell membrane. D. Head of the lipid is hydrophilic. So what could be the key concept here? So the key concept here will be cell membrane. Talking about the cell membrane is basically selective permeable and found almost in all the living organisms. It is basically composed of phospholipid. It is basically composed of phospholipids. जिसमें से क्या होता है लिपिड्स जो हमारे है वो बाई लेयर होते हैं. These are basically arranged in two layers. And talking about the head and tail, the head of the lipid is basically hydrophilic and tail of the lipid is basically hydrophobic. The amount of the protein and lipid in like different types of organism varies. So we can also write it over here. Amount of protein and lipid varies with different organism. जैसे एक एग्जांपल हमने ह्यूमन आरबीसी का लिया था. ह्यूमन आरबीसी का एग्जांपल लिया था. It was saying that 52% protein and 40% lipid. So we can write it over here. 52% protein and 40% lipid. So yes, it is true that in the human RBC 52% it is composed of 52% protein and 40% lipid. And our protein is basically of two types in the plasma membrane. Proteins are of basically two types: integral protein. This is also known as what? Intrinsic protein and peripheral protein. The peripheral proteins are basically on the outer side of the layer. And talking about the integral protein, basically these are found partially or totally buried in the cell membrane. And these peripheral proteins lies on the surface of the membrane. So let's figure out the right option. A is saying the ratio of protein lipid varies considerably in the different cell types. This is right. B is saying 52% protein and 40% lipid are in the membrane of human RBC. This is also true. Talking about C, integral proteins are found on the intracellular surface of the cell. This is not true because as I have said that the integral proteins are found partially or totally buried in the cell membrane, and these protein lies on the surface of the cell. So this is not true. Head of the lipid is hydrophilic. Yes, it is true. Head of the lipid is hydrophilic and tail is hydrophobic. So we have to figure the incorrect statement. The C statement is incorrect. So we can mark the answer as C. Hope you understood that. Best of luck.